Do you have more grapes than you know what to do with? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you how from harvest to preservation, you can make a most delicious drink that will last you throughout the year. Stay tuned. There are many things that you can do with your grape harvest, but today we are going to make grape juice. First, we are going to clean off all of our grapes to wash off all the debris from the harvest. Then take all your grapes, stems and all, and put them in your juicer. Get it boiling, then reduce it to medium-high for 2 hours. Look at the difference after it's processed. These don't look very appetizing, but I'm going to take them out to the chickens and they'll be very excited. Here is the beautiful juice in the reservoir. We're going to bottle it up. Once it's out of the reservoir, we're going to strain it through a flour sack towel to remove the impurities. Next, we're going to can it. You can use a water bath canner, or I double my pressure canner as a water bath canner too. Next, you're going to fill your jars with your juice. You can use a funnel if that helps you be more steady. Be sure to take some apple cider vinegar or white vinegar and wipe the rim of your jars to help ensure a good seal. Next, take your rings and lids and place them on your jars until they are just finger tight. Be sure that you start everything at the same temperature, whether you start it cold or start it hot. Jars, water, and product needs to be the same temperature. To prevent jar breakage, be sure to put something on the bottom of your canner, like a rack or a separator. Also, a towel will work. Bring your canner to a boil and process it for about 15 minutes. Give them another 5 minutes to rest before moving it to a towel-lined surface. Listen for the satisfying ping that tells you have a great seal. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow our journey. And click the link below for more homesteading adventures. Share in the comments what you're doing with your grapes.